What's up, guys? So I'm going to show you how to put on these clear side markers. There's videos around the YouTubes and the internet on how to do it. I figured I'd provide my own video. All you need is one tool, and that's an interior pry tool. Super easy. So these guys, they come in a box, and it has both of them with these little wire connector things. I'm going to show you real quick, but first I'm going to take this out because this thing is so easy. Just look, you just go in like this and you go like little work and little work and then bloop, and then little bloop, and then little outs, just like that, bloop. So what you do is it has a jumper where you connect that in. There's a little resistor or something, and you connect that into the original plug, and then you just snap it back in. Hold on, I'm doing it one-handed. Get that right up in there. Get in the hole, and then you just bloop, and that's it. And look, watch, get ready. Here we go. I'll flip on the hazards so you can see. That's it. And then also in this video I'll include a little walk around of how it looks with the headlights and the turn signals on, but it's super easy, and $40. And I'm going to show you guys a screenshot of the Amazon listing, and I'll even probably throw a link to it too. But bam, clear sequential side markers. Awesome. Have a great night, guys. Thank you for watching.